Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 68 Corvette. Now, this car has only had 3 owners on it, features the original body, and it's done in the factory color combination. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it, then we'll get it up on a lift and out on the highway for you as well. As you look across the front, you'll notice this bumper is in excellent condition, still has a gorgeous shine on it. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the driver's side, and you can see that these body lines flow beautifully here from the front all the way to the back. Now, as you make your way on around, you'll notice that the gaps here at the door are even and symmetrical. You'll also notice that we got the lift-off hard top, and it's got the white convertible top as well. But before we go on around, I want you to come on up. We'll take a look on the inside. This car is done the factory color combination, so it's got the correct blue interior. You'll notice that the bucket seats and the covers are in excellent condition. It'll also give you the opportunity to look at the dash. You'll see that all the gauges are phenomenal and that your center console is in great condition as well, and appears to have the original shifter and the bezels. Now, as you come on around, you can get a close look at the door panels. You can see that it appears to have the original trim there. It'll also give you another close-up look at how excellent these seats are. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside. You can see how excellent that door shuts and fits. Now, as you come across the back, you can see that the rear bumpers are excellent, just like the front. You'll also notice that your taillight lenses and bezels, along with your Corvette emblems and your license plate holder, are beautiful as well. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the passenger side. You can see that this body is straight as an arrow. Now, as you come on around, I'll take a step back. That way you can get a good appreciation for just how stunning this car is. The glass on the side windows and the back of the convertible top appears to be original, and the stance on this 68 is absolutely beautiful. Now, it's set up with the 15-inch rally wheels with the Tiger Paw Redline tires. Now, it'll also give you a chance to take a close look at how gorgeous this paint is, as it's all been buffed and polished to a beautiful shine. Come on up and we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. Under the hood, it features the matching numbers 327. As you can see, this car looks all correct like it would have in 68. Now, it has the original intake and quadra-jet carburetor. You can also see that we've got the factory smog pump on the other side. This car does have power steering. As you can see by looking at the firewall and taking a close look at all the details, everything in this car appears to be correct, even down to the factory style radiator. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Corvette, I'll get it pulled around there and we'll get it put up on a lift for you. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this vet up in there, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you as well. Now that we've got this Corvette up on a lift, we can take a closer look at how impressive the floors, frame, and the driveline is. As you can see, the frame all appears to be rock solid, along with the birdcage. Now, you'll notice everything has a beautiful detail, and that the floors appear to be original with no signs of damage or repair. Under the front, it still has the splash shields. You can also see that all the bushings and ball joints look to be in great condition, and that it has power steering. The matching numbers 327 engine is mated to the numbers matching Muncie 4-speed trans that goes out back to the correct AO coated 370 Ponzi rear end. Now, for exhaust, it has the correct manifolds with dual pipes and the factory style mufflers and tips. Of course, this Vet has 4-wheel disc brakes, and all of the brake lines look to be in great condition, along with the fuel lines and the gas tank. Now, before we hit the highway in this 68, let's take one more close look at how impressive all of the frame and floors are.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.